Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can use your TCL air conditioner remote. And as you can see, I have this remote available. So I'm also going to show you all of the buttons and what they actually does. So first of all, we have this power button, which is going to basically use to turn your AC on or off. Then we have the modes available in the bottom. So we have this dedicated mode button available, and right next to it we have the cool and the dry modes available. So the cool mode is going to basically use to cool the room. Then when you press the mode button, you are going to see some of the other modes available, like the heat mode. Then we have the fan mode and the auto mode. Now if you want to set it on the dry mode, you can just simply press this dry button, which is going to remove excess humidity from the room. So that's how you can basically use these three modes available. Afterwards, underneath it, you will find this type of up and the down buttons. So these are basically used in order to increase or decrease the temperature. Then we have in the middle this fan button, which is going to basically help cycle through the available fan speed. And you will find some of the basically fan speed on the different modes like auto, low, medium, and high. Afterwards, we have the swing button available, which is going to basically use to basically adjust the horizontal airflow. So we have the right fan and we have the left fan available over here. Then we have the gentle wind available. So when you press the gentle wind for smoother, more comfortable airflow by reducing the direct cold air. Afterwards, on top of the remote, you will also find the I feel button. So the I feel button is basically use the temperature sensor inside the remote. The AC will adjust the cooling or heating based on the temperature where the remote is located. We also have the turbo and the gen mode available. So when you press the turbo or the gen mode, the turbo is basically used to cool the room temperature as quickly as possible. Then the gen button is basically when it is activated, it is going to activate the generator mode, which limits the power consumption when running on a generator. Afterwards, we also have the quiet button available, which is going to basically use in order to reduce the operating noise. We have the eco and the display button available, which is going to save the energy during the operation. We have the health and the clean button available, which is going to basically activate the air purification and health function on the supported models. On some of the models, you will also find the self clean option, which is going to clean and dries the indoor coil to help reduce the moisture, mold, and the odors. So that's how you can basically use the TCL AC remote control. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.